What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. My name is Oscar Ramos, your host, and I couldn't be prouder to bring to you Tectonic from the Cronos chain. Now, what is this? A money protocol lending and borrowing system that allows a lot of different project founders and anyone to supply Tectonic, Cronos, or any other type of token that's available to the markets for a piece of percentage. And that is pretty cool. Also, you can stake it. You can hold billions if you want and see a potential appreciation in the price. Or, of course, it's risky, not financial advice, and you know it's your money, your risk. But in this one, guys, we've been covering this one on the channel because I think it matters to know opportunities ahead of us. If you are looking into altcoins in the above 1,000 by market capitalization, clear, kind of crazy on Tectonic because when I go to CoinMarketCap, I don't see it when I select the lending and borrowing category. Those are some of the opportunities, right? We are not, in this case, this token is not listed on any exchanges other than crypto.com. The total supply is 500 trillion. So give me a break. And of course, it's barely starting. It's leading right now by TBL. If you add everything, borrows and pools, it's leading in TBL, the entire Cronos chain. So I'm bringing this token, this project to you because the audience that follows me in my channel, Oscar Ramos, does appreciate Cronos a lot, and I've done my research to verify that it is a legit project, that legit people that I've talked to in the channel too have experience and have had this contact with the team. So far, the price is doing, I think, something foreign that I haven't seen that much in Tectonic. I'm using Dex screen right now, but if I go ahead and select one day, I'm going to show you the last 3 pumps that we've seen. I'm going to hide the menu and so you see a little bit better. And I'll go ahead and hide all these drawings. So check this out. In the last 2 pumps, starting mid 2022, then late 2022, and then early 2023, one of the things that you see is that the pump really doesn't last too much. And even in the first one, it stayed there for like a week plus 2 weeks. The second one, it was just 2 days. And the third one, so far, we're going into a week plus. And we see that the price is still hanging in strong. It's not dropping drastically like the second pump. Now, it does need to break a couple of resistance levels indicating by the green line and then the blue line right here. If that happens, Tectonic is going to be on our way to go higher, knowing that this is barely the beginning. Personally, I do own a couple of them. I think it's a great token to continue learning and betting in some opportunities for long-term purposes. What do you guys think? Well, let me know in the comments down below for sure. Bringing you different projects so you're aware as far as what other things offer, because Ethereum, Bitcoin, those are great. And I think that should be the foundation of any crypto portfolio. But if you have a 5%, 7%, 10% allocation for altcoins that could be potential 10x or more x, I think Tectonic is a good start. I'll see you next time, everybody. Be safe. Peace.